Hi cuties, I'm Kinjal and I'm here to show you a before and after of my favorite lip balm. It's from Innisfree. The shade is Power Cherry. It is very beautiful, very glossy, and the finish is, oh my god. So this is before. I have nothing on my lips, nothing. Oh, swatch this. Can you see the difference? I mean, can you see the difference? Amazing. This is after. The finish is so good. The gloss is so good. 10 on 10. Bye.